Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the different features and tutorial of how to use iMovie. iMovie is a free video editor application for macOS and iOS. It's created by Apple and used only in its own operating system. Easy yet powerful video making software. It is easy to use and it's free. Okay guys, let's start using it now. Open the icon iMovie from your device and you can click that plus sign. It is to create a new project. It will give you the option movie or trailer, and in my case I'm going to choose movie. Once you click that movie, it will give you the options to select any of the media clips from your device, either movies or photos. So in this case, I've selected two of the clips from my device. Now the first thing I do is to highlight each of the clips, and there is an option to increase or decrease the audio on a clip, and in my case I mute them all for me to be able to recreate my own audio recordings. Next thing I do is to zoom my videos. On the right upper side, it says pinch to zoom. You can zoom in or zoom out all your video clips. On the left middle part of the screen, there is a plus sign. Once you click it, it will give you the option to add moments, video, photos, albums, audio, camera, voiceover, or files. Assuming you want to separate or cut the video file, you can highlight that clip, and on the bottom part of the screen you'll see the options split, detach, duplicate, delete. Click split and it's going to be divided. Undo is on the right middle part of the screen. Would like to add titles to your movie to make it look professional. There are several titles options such as standard, prism, gravity, reveal, focus, pop-up, and each of them you can place them in the center of each video or on the lower part of the video. Let's go now to the filters of your iMovie. Just like the photo apps or Snapchat or Instagram, there's several filters that you can choose from, such as black and white, blast, blockbuster, blue, camo, dreamy, silent era, vintage, and western. The bottom part of the screen, there is a clock that is showing. If you click that option, it will show you if you want to freeze, add, or reset the timings in each of your clip. Transitions as well is showing at the bottom part if you would like to. There is a theme, dissolve, slide, wipe, or fade, and each of them you can also customize how long is the transition. You may want to add in audio in your videos. You can click on the left middle part of the screen, click audio, and it will give you soundtracks, music, or sound effects, and several options will be available for free. Similarly, when you click sound effects, there are endless options that you can avail for free. You can create your own voiceover. Click that bottom part, voiceover, and click record. 3, 2, 1, then start speaking to record your voice. Once you finish the recording, click stop. You can cancel, retake, review, or accept. If you click accept, then the audio will be on the lower part of each clip, which is on the blue color. To be honest, there's a lot more features in the iMovie, such as turning one long clip into multiple clips, editing the length of a clip, changing the transitions between each of the clips, duplicating a clip, and I think there's a lot more that I haven't mentioned in this video. Once you finish editing, click Done on the left upper side of the screen. It will go to the main screen, and when you are in the main screen, you can now download the movie. Once you select the size, it will start exporting the movie. You can now check your library. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you again next time. Bye!